Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can zoom and pan in Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top menu and search for File. Once you find File, go ahead and search for Imports, hover your mouse over it, and right now go ahead and select media. You can also import other files like bin, media from XML, timeline, and so on. Or you can also click on Ctrl plus E on your keyboard in order to import media. Once you do that, go ahead and select the media that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add this video, and after that, click on Open. You might get this message. Click on change if you want to change it, and then you need to grab the video and drag it to the timeline. As you can see guys, now the video is in the timeline. So now what you need to do guys is go to the bottom menu and make sure that you are in the edit section. Click on it, and then you're gonna see your video right here, and you can go to the top menu and click on inspector. Once you click on inspector, you're going to have some options right here, like the zoom, for example. As you can see, guys, you can zoom in, zoom out. You can remove this link option in order to stretch the video, for example, vertically or horizontally. Right here, you can change the position of the video. You can change the rotation angle. You can change the anchor point, the pitch, the yaw. You can flip the video vertically or horizontally, and you can also crop it and so on. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.